Okay, guys, so tonight I'm making my dinner and I'll be making salmon and spinach on the side. So, right now I'm getting my ingredients. That's my onion, garlic I'm gonna be using, the non Maggi. I'll also be grabbing my salt and my garlic powder. So, gonna grab the garlic powder. And the next thing now is I wanted to use paprika, but then I was like, nah, I don't need paprika. So that's the salmon. And I'm gonna season them up with all the ingredient I just picked out, which is the garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. So yeah, that's the salmon I'm showing you. I don't know how to video and record and also season up my salmon, so that was the best shit I could get. Yeah, that's me just putting all the ingredient in, making sure everything is coated around the left and the back and the front side. And now I'm gonna be adding black pepper because you just need an inch of spice in what you're doing. So that's me adding black pepper and yeah. So I'm gonna be mixing all that together. What do you guys? Oh, on a side note, what do you guys think of the color of my hair? I just dyed it. Let me know if it looks good. Anyway, back to the food. Uh, I added butter in the pan and let it sizzle up. So I added a lot of butter because I'm also gonna be doing the spinach on the side, which you're gonna see in a sec. Yeah, that's me. I added the spinach, and I already flipped the other side of the salmon. It's grilling right now, and I'm gonna season the spinach up with the same seasoning I use for the salmon. So the same ingredient. That's what I'm putting in, and we're gonna mix it up. And also, how am I doing with this voiceover? This is my first time trying it. Anyways, we're seasoning it up to make it taste good in a way. So we're gonna season it up, and now I'm gonna flip my salmon. Guys, look at the way I flipped the salmon. So bad that one of the salmon fell off, and that just went sideways. Anyway, this is the final product. Doesn't look all bougie the way you would see it on TikTok and all, but this is my own basic salmon salmon with spinach for my dinner. And yeah, this is me trying it. You guys can see it in the eyes. It was so delicious. Even though I made it myself, I know I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you're gonna try by yourself? Let me know in the comment.